like everything was a party. Only 18 years deep and now we're getting started. Finish line clear, so we focus on the target. Wouldn't it be nice if we saturate the market? And wouldn't it be great if we could just simply rage and never think about calm down or act your age? I say hey, hands up, the record plays. Wouldn't it be great if I could live on stage? Let me introduce you to the duo with a dream. Wouldn't it be nice if we blew up on the scene? Do shows in Pluto, so you know what I mean. Wouldn't it be cool to have a name up on the screen? And wouldn't it be great if I could make you a fanatic? Accumulate a following like dust up in the attic. And if you hear her hollering and people go ecstatic, you know it must be us, cause we always wreaking havoc. See, I just wish the people could relax and look beyond what this year's rated wrong. Just appreciate the song, cause the music's not about cold drinks or hitting bonds. It's the cool June pool tune, so y'all should come along. Turn this on, tell me, do you feel enticed to get up on your feet and make the most of the night? Find someone you like, just take a chance and roll the dice. You could end up making memories, now wouldn't that be nice?
I'm up high right now. Wouldn't it be nice if I never came down? Always on the rise, I forgot about ground. I just wanna live on the top somehow. Someday maybe I'll find the key to the good life. Spend my days on cloud nine. Yeah, now wouldn't that be nice?
Imagine waking up to a place like heaven, where I can say we're steady on the rise, so living. And you can shut me out and say I'm stuck in wishful thinking, but I know that when it happens we gon' stop and let it sink in. Cause speaking of heaven, I'ma settle in the sky, chill up on the clouds, then I get up and I fly to a place where the white tips waves roll in, feeling golden in the moment till the sun grows thin. Then boom, bring out the moon, I'm the man in it now. So if you're looking up, you should stand and get loud. Say, wouldn't it be great if this night never ends and we can fade away to that light for pretend, like nothing really matters outside of the song. And I'm on a buzz going infinity and beyond. So catch me if you can, but I'll be in Japan, or maybe 212, possibly Amsterdam. I'm headed around the world, I'm going, I let it swirl. You twisted, I'm gonna twirl, I'm just sticking to the plan. Bam, I said imagine, living like Aladdin, having someone grant your wishes. And if it happens, I'm asking to fly away to a place where every day everything is laid back, all great, always. So, see you later, I guess that I'll talk to you soon, cause I'm gone, you can see me go over the moon.
I'm up high right now. Wouldn't it be nice if I never came down? Always on the rise, I forgot about ground. I just wanna live on the top somehow. Someday maybe I'll find the key to the good life. Spend my days on cloud nine. Yeah, now wouldn't that be nice? Someday maybe I'll find the key to the good life. Spend my days on cloud nine. Yeah, now wouldn't that be nice?
You're not the type of girl I usually fall for, but there's something special with you and I'm all for it. Switching it up, you could be my different love. Me and you together, baby, we will rise above all the things against us, like we come from different paths. And you make it hard to focus, lately I've been missing class. You speak first and I tend to listen last, but I can change, I want you with me kissing in the grass. Please, will you stay with me tonight? You switch up platitudes in my mind, out of sight. Baby, just for you, I turn out all the lights and do the things you want. I just wanna make it right. Yeah, girl, take this brush and we'll make a love picture. Me and you as one can't lose. I just wanna make love with you. You know when that love hit you and you start to lose your breath. That's kinda like what I'm feeling right now. So girl, why can't you say yes? People say things about me, stuff like he has no heart. They might be true, but girl, for you, I think I finally start repiecing all the parts. Let's make our engine run. I know it sounds cliche when I say this, but different girl, you could be the one.
Different girl and all you think, I say this all the time, but truthfully you are the only woman on my mind. I call you different cause you really are one of a kind. I've looked all over and a girl like you is hard to find. Amazing girl, keep me gazing girl. Come with me tonight, together we can change the world. Amazing girl, keep it blazing girl. Come with me tonight so later you can change my world.
Tell me what to do to prove to you I really care. Should I buy you jewelry or tell me should I bear all of my heart out? Tell you that you are the most beautiful girl I've seen. Actually, I'll give you both. I'm done with all the others. I make you feel unique, get you under the covers and make your body weak. Girl, you won't find another like me to make your body speak. And they call that body language, so it's telling me to keep loving you like I have never ever loved anybody else. I'm not the type to share, cause I want you all to myself. You give me something unlike anything I've ever felt. Different girl, no one the same as you, and you make my heart melt. See, I have never dealt with a girl that's quite your type. It is so strange to me, but it's like you got me hypnotized. It is so plain to see to me that I'm your Mr. Right. We can block out what the others say, different girl, just touch your lips, it's mine. I am so mesmerized, you got me in a love hex. I promise if you give me now, there'll never be a next. I send you love texts, and here's my love letter. I don't think there's another girl like you, and if there is, I haven't met her.
Different girl and all you think, I say this all the time, but truthfully you are the only woman on my mind. I call you different cause you really are one of a kind. I've looked all over and a girl like you is hard to find. Amazing girl, keep me gazing girl, come with me tonight, together we could change the world. Amazing girl, keep it blazing girl, come with me tonight so later you can change my world. You got me going crazy, you keep me up all night, and I've been wondering lately if this is worth the fight. Ooh, this different kind of feeling I haven't felt before. I don't know what's the meaning, impossible to ignore. I know you're right for me, I know you're right for me. Together we can be, together we could be the perfect couple that you always see on the TV. My friends say, do you love her? They ask me, do I love her? I say definitely, I say definitely. They ask me why, and I reply, because she's different. Different girl and all you think, I say this all the time, but truthfully you are the only woman on my mind. I call you different cause you really are one of a kind. I've looked all over and a girl like you is hard to find. Amazing girl, keep me gazing girl, come with me tonight, together we could change the world.